Why pay for a brand new e-bike when electric bike conversion kits can easily give a boost to the bike you already have? E-bikes have enabled people who need or want some pedal assistance to broaden the range and scope of their riding, while making it easier than ever to choose sustainable and greener transport methods. To make all these decisions easier for you, we've outlined the key things to consider when fitting an electric conversion kit to your own bike, including the various motor and battery options available. We've tested as many as possible in real-world riding conditions, assessing how easy they are to fit and what kind of electric assistance they provide. And as always, you can check pricing for any of the products in the description below. If I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So, let's go ahead and get started. Coming in at number 5, the LFAS Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is an innovative solution for cycling enthusiasts looking to upgrade their traditional bike into an electric one. This kit is designed to cater to a wide range of bicycles, making it a versatile choice for both casual riders and daily commuters. One of the standout features of this kit is its motor. It provides a significant boost in speed and efficiency, and it's ideal for tackling steep hills or long commutes with less effort. The installation process is another highlight. It's relatively straightforward, meaning that even those with minimal technical expertise can set it up with some basic tools. However, every product has its drawbacks. One potential issue with this kit could be the added weight, which might affect the bike's balance and maneuverability, especially for those not used to riding electric bikes. Additionally, the noise level of the motor and its impact on the overall riding experience are factors to consider. While some riders appreciate the speed and ease provided by the motor, others might provide a quieter, more traditional cycling experience. In conclusion, the LFAS Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is a robust option for those looking to delve into the world of electric biking without purchasing a new e-bike. Its ease of installation, power enhancement, and versatility make it a worthy investment, especially for urban commuters and those seeking an extra push on challenging terrains. While it's important to weigh the changes in bike dynamics and noise, this kit stands out as an effective way to transform your ride. Number 4, the Pexmore Electric Bike Conversion Kit. The Pexmore Electric Bike Conversion Kit is a compelling choice for cyclists looking to transform their standard bicycle into an electric one. This kit stands out with its comprehensive package, which usually includes a powerful motor, a controller, and a throttle, offering a complete solution for e-bike conversion. The motor included is typically robust, providing ample power for a variety of riding conditions, whether it's city commuting or light off-road use. This boost in power can be a game changer for those facing long distances or challenging terrains. Installation is another aspect to consider. If this kit is like others from Pexmore, it likely offers a user-friendly setup, suitable for those even with limited mechanical skills. However, it's always wise to consider professional help if you're not confident in your DIY projects. The kit's compatibility with different types of bicycles also adds its appeal, making it a versatile option for various riders. On the downside, as with most conversion kits, there might be concerns regarding the additional weight and how it affects the bike's handling. Also, depending on the motor's design, there could be a noticeable change in the noise level during rides. These are important considerations for those who value a traditional cycling experience. In summary, the Pexmore Electric Bike Conversion Kit is an excellent choice for cycling enthusiasts looking to upgrade to an electric bike without the high cost of buying a new one. Its ease of installation, powerful motor, and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of users. While it's important to consider the changes it brings to your bike's performance and feel, this kit is a solid investment for those eager to explore the benefits of electric biking. Number 3, the AW Electric Bike Conversion Kit. The AW Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is a popular choice among cyclists looking to add a motorized boost to their riding experience. Kits like this one from AW are known for their powerful motors, which are capable of significantly enhancing the speed and ease of cycling, especially in challenging conditions like steep inclines or long-distance commutes. The motor's powerful output is a key feature, providing a smooth and reliable performance that can transform a regular bike into a high-efficiency e-bike. Installation is a critical aspect to any conversion kit, and the AW kit is designed with user convenience in mind. Typically, these kits are engineered for easy setup, enabling even those with limited technical skills to install them. However, the process might require some basic tools and a bit of time. Compatibility with various bike types is another advantage, making it a versatile option for different riders. However, it's important to consider the potential downsides. The addition of a motor and potentially a battery pack can alter the bike's weight and balance, which might require some adjustment in the handling. Additionally, the noise level of the motor is a factor to consider as well, as it may differ from the quiet ride of a non-motorized bike. Overall, the AW Electric Bike Conversion Kit stands as a strong contender for those seeking to upgrade their biking experience. Its combination of power, ease of installation, and adaptability to different bikes makes it an attractive option for a range of cyclists, from urban commuters to leisure riders. While it's important to be mindful of the changes it brings to the bike's dynamic and sound, the kit offers an excellent way to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike without the high cost of purchasing a new one. Number 2. The Ebikeling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Ebikeling Waterproof Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is a standout choice for cyclists looking to convert their standard bike into an electric one with an added assurance of durability. One of the key features of this kit is its waterproof design, making it a great option for riders who often face wet conditions. The feature ensures that the electrical components are protected, enhancing the kit's longevity and reliability. The motor, which is central to any e-bike conversion kit, is likely to be powerful and efficient, providing a significant boost to the bike's performance. This is particularly beneficial for tackling steep hills or for making lengthy commutes more manageable. Additionally, the inclusion of a throttle and controller in the kit suggests a focus on providing a user-friendly and customizable riding experience. When it comes to installation, if this kit follows the trend of other Ebikeling products, it should be reasonably straightforward, allowing DIY enthusiasts to set it up themselves. However, it's always a good idea to seek professional assistance if you're not confident in your mechanical skills. The kit's compatibility with a range of bicycle types is another plus, offering versatility to a wide audience of cyclists. On the downside, as with most conversion kits, the additional components might add to the bike's weight, potentially affecting the handling and the balance. The noise level of the motor is also something to consider, as it might differ from traditional cycling. In conclusion, the Ebikeling Waterproof Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is an excellent investment for those looking to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike. Its waterproof feature, combined with a powerful motor and ease of installation, makes it a very compelling choice for a variety of riders. While it's important to consider the changes in bike dynamics, this kit is ideal for cyclists who want a reliable and efficient upgrade to their existing bike. And coming in at number 1, the Bufang Mid-Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Bufang BBS02B Electric Bike Conversion Kit ranks as a top choice for cyclists eager to transform their standard bicycle into a powerful e-bike. Bufang is known for its high-quality components, and this kit likely includes a robust mid-drive motor, which is a significant advantage. Mid-drive motors are praised for their efficiency and balanced distribution of weight, offering an improved riding experience compared to hub motors. This type of motor is especially effective for hill climbing and provides a natural feel to the bike's acceleration. Another noteworthy aspect of this kit is its ease of installation. Bufang kits are generally designed for a straightforward setup, making them accessible for DIY enthusiasts. However, for those who are less technically inclined, seeking professional help might be a wise choice here. The kit's compatibility with a broad range of bicycles adds to its appeal, making it suitable for various types of riders from commuters to leisure cyclists. One potential drawback to consider is the change in the bike's dynamics. The addition of a mid-drive motor can alter the bike's center of gravity, which might require some adjustment to the handling, especially for those not accustomed to riding e-bikes. Additionally, the noise level of the motor, typically minimal with mid-drive units, is a factor to consider for those who prefer a quiet ride. In summary, the Bufang BBS02B Electric Bike Conversion Kit is an excellent choice for cyclists looking to upgrade their ride. Its combination of a powerful mid-drive motor, ease of installation, and compatibility with various bikes makes it a standout option. While adjustments in handling and potential noise are points to be aware of, this kit is ideal for those who want a high-quality, efficient, and enjoyable e-bike experience. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive rundown on the top 5 electric bike conversion kits on the market today. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or just looking for a more sustainable way to travel, there's an option out there that can transfer your current bike into an efficient, eco-friendly e-bike. Remember, the world of e-bikes is vast and exciting, and these conversion kits are just the tip of the iceberg. They offer a unique blend of affordability, sustainability, and personal satisfaction as you give a new lease of life to your beloved bike. So why buy new when you can upgrade and personalize these incredible kits? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. We're always here to guide you through the latest in bike tech and innovations. Drop a comment below to let us know which kit you're leaning towards, or if you have any questions about starting your e-bike journey. And, as always, check the description below for links to all products mentioned, along with any discount codes or special deals we've managed to snag for you. Keep pedaling towards a greener future, and we'll see you on the next video.